morning, Hornets. It's a thriving Thursday here at VCHS. We're your hosts, Alyssa.
And I'm Brennan. Let's start off with today's lunch. Today we're going to have chili, corn chips, fresh broccoli, cinnamon roll, pears, and the cold milk.
Why don't we look at today's holidays?
Let's take a quick glance at your top 5 news stories of the day with Riley.
Jerry Seinfeld hints at Seinfeld reunion 25 years after the show ended. Beyonce and Taylor Swift's concert films could be eligible for Oscar nominations. Powerball jackpot leaps to $1.73 billion as the price becomes the second largest in the lottery's history. Minnesota man's 2,749 IBS pumpkin seeds world record. Canadian auto workers go on strike at GM plants.
Next, here's Thursday's Word of the Day.
This week's word of the week is nebulous, in the form of a cloud or haze, hazy.
Hornets, be sure to go to the soccer game against Southeast tonight.
What's your favorite class? Let's see what some students have to say.
Hey, what's up? My name is Miles, and my favorite class is probably weights.
Hi, my name is Madison Johnson, and my favorite class is PE.
I'm Melina. I'm Lily, and our favorite class is EKG.
Here's Holden's Senior Spotlight.
My name's Holden McDaniel, and I play a few sports, and I used to be involved in FCA, but I play soccer, which right now we're doing decent. We're 3-6, but the front half of our schedule is pretty tough, but we're looking to change it around. And then later in the year, I got golf, and hopefully that'll be fun, and we'll do good and go to state again, hopefully make it to the second day. Then in the middle of the year during basketball season, I usually take pictures for basketball, and that's pretty much it.
It really grinds my gears when people walk really slow in the hallway.
Yes. Let's see what some Hornets have to say about that.
My name is Ethan Hunt, and what grinds my gears? Am I the phantoms and scorpions and rhinos from Call of Duty Ghost Extinction?
What grinds my gears would be, I'm thinking school-wise, is when kids are talking when I'm talking.
What up? It's Brock Sainer. And something that grinds my gears is either when people don't chew with their mouth closed, or they can't park inside of the lines, or like block you in, because I get so mad about
And here's Cheyenne with today's weather.
I'm Cheyenne Jones. Today's high is 82, and tonight's low is 50.
Now for a quick blast in the past, let's wrap it up with this day in history. Stay classy, VC.
October 12th, 1492. On this date, under the old-style calendar, explorer Christopher Columbus lands in the Americas. Columbus, sailing under Spain's banner, traveled across the Atlantic trying to seek a route to Asia. His arrival in the Caribbean leads to Europe's colonization of the Western Hemisphere. 2000. In the Persian Gulf, suicide bombers strike the USS Cole, docked in Yemen's port of Aden. They rammed the Cole with their boat filled with explosives, killing 17 American sailors aboard the destroyer. Osama bin Laden's al-Qaeda network is blamed for the attack, nearly a year before the September 11th attacks. 1960. Political theater during the Cold War at the United Nations in New York. Soviet leader Nikita Khrushchev disrupts the UN General Assembly by pounding his desk with a shoe when a speaker criticizes his country. 2002. Terror strikes the Indonesian island of Bali. That's where a bomb blamed on Islamic militants destroys a nightclub, killing 202 people, many of them foreign tourists. 1935. Luciano Pavarotti, considered one of the greatest opera stars of modern times, is born in Modena, Italy. And 1997.
Rocky Mountain High.
Singer John Denver dies when his privately built aircraft crashes in Monterey Bay, California. He was 53 years old. Today in history, October 12th. Tim McGuire, The Associated Press.